Alright, let me get you guys some sound clips of this exhaust with a nice mic. So I'll be mic'd up in the car, and I'm also gonna somehow get this other mic onto the rear of the car, so it sounds, you can actually hear how it sounds. My goodness. Do a launch right here, let's do it. Oh my gosh. Golly, this thing's quick. Gosh, it just sounds so sick. Alright, I'm in sport mode now. Give you guys some revs. Sounds really nice, and then the cool thing is, listen to this. Press this button. Exhaust flaps close. Super quiet. Open them back up. If you guys want to know how I did that, let me know in the comments. I'll totally do a tutorial. It's very, very easy. It's like a garage door opener. You just sync it. Anyways, let's get some driving clips.